Will AI take your job? The truth about AI and automation? AI is advancing faster than ever, and let's be honest, people are worried. Will AI replace your job? Will automation make millions of workers obsolete? Or is there actually a way to use AI to your advantage? In this video, we're breaking down the truth about AI and automation, which jobs are at risk, and most importantly, how you can stay ahead. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more AI insights. Let's get into it. The reality is, AI is already taking over certain jobs. If you've ever used a self-checkout machine, talked to an AI chatbot, or seen robots assembling products in factories, you've seen automation in action. Amazon's warehouses are filled with robotic arms that move faster than human workers. AI-powered chatbots now handle customer support for major companies. Even fast food chains are replacing cashiers with AI kiosks. But here's the good news, not all jobs are at risk. AI is great at repetitive tasks, but it struggles with creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. That means jobs that require human intuition, strategy, and personal touch are safer. Think about jobs like doctors, teachers, therapists, and artists. AI can assist them, but it can't replace their human connection and critical thinking. Here's what most people don't realize. AI won't just take jobs, it will create new ones. Just like the internet created millions of digital careers, AI will open doors to brand new opportunities. In the past, there were no jobs like social media managers or app developer, but now they're everywhere. In the AI era, we'll see roles like AI trainers, prompt engineers, and AI ethics consultants become highly in demand. So how do you make sure AI works for you, not against you? Simple, start learning AI skills now. The people who learn to work with AI will be the ones who succeed in the future job market. For example, using AI tools like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, or Runway ML for video editing can make you 10 times more efficient in your career. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. AI is changing the world fast, but the good news is, you can stay ahead. Start learning AI tools, develop skills that AI can't replace, and most importantly, adapt. What are your thoughts on AI and jobs? Do you think AI will replace your work, or will it create new opportunities? Let's discuss in the comments. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI insights. See you in the next video.